One of the great features of Adobe Connect is the poll pod. In Adobe Connect, each poll question is displayed in its own poll pod, but you can display multiple poll pods at once. There are three types of questions you can ask: multiple choice single answer, multiple choice multiple answer, and short answer, where the participant can type in any answer they want. Setting up questions is pretty simple. You just type in the question and then type in the answer options. Some of the coolest stuff happens after you open the question. As the users begin answering your poll question, you can go behind the scenes and check how each person is responding. Broadcasting the results to participants is as simple as checking a checkbox. One of the things I really like about Connect is that I can set up all of my poll questions on a special layout so they can all be displayed with a click of a mouse. Here's an example. I set up all of my poll questions on this polls layout and make sure they're all open and ready. I have my slides in the presentation layout. So let's pretend I'm going through the presentation, talking about each slide as I come to it. And now it's time to ask my poll questions. So I just click the polls layout and voila, instant polls. Here's another variation on the same theme. On my polls layout, I can include my presentation in the background. Now, when I'm on the presentation layout and get to the slide where I know I want to ask my poll questions, I just click the polls layout and boom, my polls appear on top of my presentation. When I'm finished with my polls, I switch back to the presentation layout and all of my polls disappear, leaving only my presentation. Sweet. One quick tip though, make sure before you switch back to the presentation layout that you click that End Poll button there on your poll pods. That way you save your data back to the Connect server. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel if you don't want to miss any future quick tips. And if you need any additional help with Adobe Connect, don't hesitate to contact Intisolve using the info on the screen.